How to log in into United Parcel account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in United Parcel account login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, ups.com. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. UPS is the world's premier package delivery company and a leading provider of global supply chain management solutions. They operate one of the largest airlines and one of the largest fleets of alternative fuel vehicles under a global UPS brand. Now to log in, you have to provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your email or username and then click on continue. And in the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on continue. With that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into United Parcel account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.